Welcome, fellow investors and history enthusiasts. Join us on an epic journey through time and investment. Our destination, the sprawling empire of Amazon. From humble beginnings to global domination, Amazon's story is a testament to innovation, ambition, and the transformative power of technology. Prepare to be captivated by the tale of Jeff Bezos, a visionary leader who dared to dream of an online bookstore that would change the world. We'll trace the company's evolution from its early days selling books to its current status as a behemoth that touches nearly every aspect of our lives. We'll explore the strategic decisions, pivotal moments, and relentless pursuit of customer satisfaction that propelled Amazon to the top. But this journey is not just about the past. We'll also delve into the present and future of Amazon, analyzing its global impact, its ongoing innovations, and the challenges it faces in a rapidly changing world. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting your journey, this exploration of Amazon's story will provide valuable insights into the company's evolution, its prospects for future growth, and the potential risks and rewards of investing in this technological titan. So buckle up, subscribe to Stock Studios for more captivating insights, and join us as we unravel the remarkable story of Amazon. Our story begins in 1994. Jeff Bezos, a young Wall Street executive, recognizes the immense potential of the internet. He envisions a future where people can buy anything they desire with just a few clicks. Fueled by this vision, he leaves his secure job and sets out on a daring entrepreneurial adventure. Bezos chooses books as his initial offering. They're universally appealing, easily shipped, and offer a vast selection. He names his company Amazon after the world's largest river, reflecting his ambition for scale and grandeur. Operating from his garage in Seattle, Washington, Bezos and a small team tirelessly build the website, curate inventory, and develop innovative systems for order processing and customer service. Amazon officially launches in July 1995. The website is simple yet functional, offering a wide selection of books at competitive prices. Word spreads quickly. Driven by positive reviews and a growing reputation for reliability, Amazon's sales skyrocket. Within a year, the company is shipping books across the United States and even internationally. The Earth's biggest bookstore is born. This early success is just the beginning. Bezos has a grander vision to create a platform where customers can find and purchase anything they need. He understands that technology will be the key to achieving this goal. Driven by a relentless pursuit of innovation and customer satisfaction, Amazon embarks on a journey of expansion and diversification that will reshape the retail landscape forever. The late 1990s witnessed the explosive growth of the internet and the emergence of a new breed of companies fueled by technology and venture capital. Amazon, with its innovative business model and rapidly expanding customer base, becomes a darling of the stock market. Investors pour money into the company, eager to be part of the digital revolution. This period, known as the dot-com bubble, is a time of both immense opportunity and significant risk. Many internet companies, lacking solid business fundamentals, collapse when the bubble bursts in the early 2000s. Amazon, however, weathers the storm. Despite facing skepticism and financial challenges, Bezos remains steadfast in his vision. He focuses on building a sustainable business, investing heavily in infrastructure, logistics, and customer service. This strategic foresight proves crucial. While other companies falter, Amazon emerges from the dot-com crash stronger than ever. The company's relentless focus on customer satisfaction, coupled with its efficient operations and growing product selection, solidifies its position as a leader in e-commerce. Amazon has not only survived the turmoil but has used it as an opportunity to learn, adapt, and emerge as a dominant force in the online marketplace. The lessons learned during the dot-com bubble shape Amazon's future trajectory. The company's commitment to long-term growth, operational excellence, and customer centricity becomes deeply ingrained in its culture. These principles will guide Amazon through subsequent challenges and triumphs, paving the way for its continued expansion and evolution. In 2005, Amazon introduces a groundbreaking program that will redefine the concept of online shopping, Amazon Prime. For an annual fee, members receive free 2-day shipping on millions of items. This seemingly simple idea proves revolutionary. Prime members, enticed by the convenience and value, become Amazon's most loyal customers. They shop more frequently and spend more than non-members, Prime also creates a powerful network effect. As more people join, Amazon can negotiate better deals with suppliers and invest further in its logistics infrastructure, leading to faster shipping times and an even wider selection of products. Amazon Prime evolves beyond free shipping. It expands to include a vast library of streaming movies and TV shows, exclusive deals and discounts, access to music streaming, unlimited photo storage, and more. Prime becomes an all-encompassing ecosystem, integrating seamlessly into the lives of millions of users. This innovative program transforms Amazon from an online retailer into a multifaceted platform that offers a comprehensive suite of services. Prime fosters unparalleled customer loyalty and drives substantial revenue growth. It also gives Amazon a significant competitive advantage, making it increasingly difficult for other retailers to match its speed, convenience, and value. Amazon Prime becomes a defining element of the company's success, demonstrating its ability to anticipate customer needs and create compelling value propositions. In 2007, Amazon disrupts the publishing industry with the launch of Kindle, a revolutionary e-reader. Kindle allows users to download and read digital books instantly. It offers a vast selection of titles, adjustable font sizes, built-in dictionaries, and long battery life, making it a compelling alternative to traditional paper books. Initially met with skepticism, Kindle quickly gains popularity. Readers embrace the convenience of carrying entire libraries in a single, lightweight device. Amazon leverages its existing e-commerce infrastructure to create a seamless experience for purchasing and downloading ebooks. The Kindle store becomes a massive digital bookstore, offering millions of titles at competitive prices. The success of Kindle extends beyond the device itself. It creates a new ecosystem for publishing and content creation. Authors and publishers gain access to a global audience, bypassing traditional gatekeepers. Self-publishing becomes a viable option, empowering writers to connect directly with readers. Kindle revolutionizes the way we read and consume books, marking Amazon's entry into the world of digital content and its growing influence on the publishing industry. The Kindle story exemplifies Amazon's commitment to innovation and its ability to identify emerging trends. By anticipating the growing demand for digital reading, Amazon creates a new market and establishes itself as a leader in the world of ebooks. Kindle becomes a testament to Amazon's willingness to disrupt established industries and its relentless pursuit of opportunities for growth and expansion. While Amazon continues to dominate the e-commerce landscape, it also embarks on a bold venture into a new frontier: cloud computing. In 2006, Amazon Web Services, AWS, is launched, offering a suite of cloud-based services including storage, computing power, and databases. AWS initially targets startups and small businesses, providing them with affordable access to powerful computing resources without the need for expensive hardware investments. As the cloud computing market matures, AWS expands its offerings, attracting larger enterprises and government agencies. Its flexible, scalable, and cost-effective solutions become the backbone of countless websites, applications, and online services. AWS emerges as the undisputed leader in cloud computing, capturing a significant market share and generating billions in revenue for Amazon. It becomes a crucial driver of the company's profitability, offsetting the thin margins of its retail operations. AWS demonstrates Amazon's ability to leverage its technological expertise to create entirely new markets and establish itself as a leader in emerging industries. The success of AWS highlights Amazon's strategic vision and its willingness to invest in long-term growth opportunities. By recognizing the transformative potential of cloud computing, Amazon creates a platform that empowers businesses of all sizes and fuels the digital revolution. AWS becomes a cornerstone of Amazon's empire, solidifying its position as a technological powerhouse and a driving force in the global economy. With its dominance in e-commerce and cloud computing firmly established, Amazon sets its sights on global expansion. The company strategically targets key markets around the world, adapting its offerings to local preferences and regulations. Amazon launches localized websites, establishes fulfillment centers, and builds partnerships with local businesses. This global expansion brings Amazon's vast selection of products and services to a wider audience. It also creates new opportunities for growth, tapping into emerging markets with significant consumer potential. Amazon's international operations become a major revenue generator, diversifying its income streams and reducing its reliance on the U.S. market. Amazon's global reach extends beyond retail. AWS establishes data centers in multiple regions, providing cloud services to businesses worldwide. The company also invests in international logistics and delivery networks, ensuring efficient fulfillment of orders across borders. Amazon becomes a truly global company, with operations spanning continents and a customer base that includes millions of users worldwide. This global expansion signifies Amazon's ambition to become the world's most customer-centric company. By reaching customers in every corner of the globe, Amazon is realizing its vision of offering Earth's biggest selection and providing a seamless shopping experience regardless of location. Amazon's global empire becomes a testament to its relentless pursuit of growth, its adaptability to diverse markets, and its unwavering commitment to customer satisfaction. Section 8. Challenges and Controversies. Navigating the Ethical Landscape. Amazon's meteoric rise has not been without its challenges and controversies. The company faces scrutiny over its labor practices, its impact on small businesses, and its use of customer data. Critics accuse Amazon of creating a monopolistic environment, stifling competition and exploiting workers in its pursuit of efficiency and profit. Amazon responds to these criticisms by highlighting its efforts to improve working conditions, support small businesses, and protect customer privacy. The company invests in employee training and safety measures, creates programs to empower small sellers, and implements stricter data security protocols. However, these efforts often fail to quell the concerns of its detractors. The ethical implications of Amazon's vast power and influence remain a subject of ongoing debate. As technology evolves and Amazon expands into new areas like artificial intelligence and healthcare, these ethical considerations will become even more complex and consequential. Amazon will need to navigate these challenges carefully, balancing its pursuit of innovation and growth with its responsibility to society and its commitment to ethical business practices. Amazon's future success will depend not only on its ability to innovate and expand, but also on its willingness to address these ethical concerns and build trust with its stakeholders. The company must demonstrate its commitment to fair labor practices, sustainable business models, and responsible use of technology. By engaging in open dialogue, listening to its critics, and taking concrete steps to address these challenges, Amazon can ensure its long-term viability and maintain its position as a leader in the global marketplace. Section 9. Bezos steps down, a new era for Amazon. In 2021, Jeff Bezos, the visionary founder of Amazon, announces his decision to step down as CEO. He hands the reins to Andy Jassy, the head of AWS, marking a significant transition for the company. Bezos remains chairman of the board, focusing on long-term strategic initiatives and his other ventures, including Blue Origin, his space exploration company. Jassy's appointment signals Amazon's continued emphasis on cloud computing as a core driver of growth. His deep understanding of AWS and his experience in leading a complex global business make him well-suited to guide Amazon through its next chapter. Jassy inherits a company that is both immensely successful and facing significant challenges. Under Jassy's leadership, Amazon continues to innovate and expand. The company invests heavily in artificial intelligence, robotics, and healthcare, seeking new avenues for growth and disruption. Amazon also faces increasing pressure from regulators and competitors, as well as growing public scrutiny over its labor practices and environmental impact. The transition to a new CEO marks a turning point in Amazon's history. While Bezos' legacy as a visionary entrepreneur is secure, Jassy faces the task of navigating a rapidly changing landscape, balancing Amazon's relentless pursuit of growth with its responsibility to its employees, customers, and society as a whole. The success of this transition will determine whether Amazon can maintain its position as a global leader and continue to shape the future of e-commerce, cloud computing, and beyond. Section 10. The Future of Amazon, Innovation and Beyond. As Amazon enters a new era, its future trajectory hinges on its ability to continue innovating, adapt to evolving market dynamics, and address the ethical considerations that accompany its vast power and influence. The company's relentless pursuit of growth and its willingness to disrupt established industries suggest that Amazon will remain a dominant force in the global marketplace. Amazon's future innovations are likely to focus on several key areas: Artificial intelligence, AI, will play a central role in enhancing customer experiences, optimizing logistics, and developing new products and services. Amazon's investments in robotics and automation will continue to transform its fulfillment centers and delivery networks, increasing efficiency and reducing reliance on human labor. Healthcare represents a significant opportunity for Amazon, as the company seeks to leverage its technology and logistics expertise to disrupt the healthcare industry and improve patient outcomes. However, Amazon's future success is not guaranteed. The company faces increasing competition from rivals like Walmart, Alibaba, and Google, all vying for dominance in e-commerce, cloud computing, and other emerging sectors. Regulatory scrutiny and public pressure over labor practices, environmental impact, and antitrust concerns could also pose significant challenges for Amazon. Navigating these complexities will require strategic foresight, adaptability, and a willingness to engage in open dialogue with stakeholders. Amazon must balance its pursuit of growth with its responsibility to its employees, customers, and the broader community. By embracing ethical business practices, prioritizing sustainability, and fostering a culture of innovation, Amazon can ensure its long-term viability and continue to shape the future of technology, retail, and the global economy. Section 11. Investment Considerations. Weighing the pros and cons. For investors considering Amazon, the company's remarkable history, its dominant market position, and its ongoing innovations present a compelling case for investment. However, it's crucial to weigh the potential risks and rewards carefully before making a decision. On the positive side, Amazon boasts a massive and loyal customer base, a robust e-commerce platform, and a thriving cloud computing business. Its relentless pursuit of innovation and its expansion into new markets suggests significant growth potential. Amazon's strong financial performance, its consistent profitability, and its track record of shareholder value creation make it an attractive option for long-term investors. However, there are also risks to consider. Amazon faces intense competition from established rivals and emerging players, as well as potential regulatory challenges and public scrutiny over its business practices. The company's valuation is high, reflecting its growth prospects but also making it vulnerable to market fluctuations and investor sentiment. Investing in Amazon requires a long-term perspective, a tolerance for volatility, and a belief in the company's ability to navigate the complexities of the global marketplace. Ultimately, the decision to invest in Amazon is a personal one that should be based on individual financial goals, risk tolerance, and investment strategy. Conducting thorough research, understanding the company's strengths and weaknesses, and staying informed about its performance and future prospects are essential for making an informed investment decision. Amazon's story is far from over, and its future trajectory will continue to captivate investors and shape the global economy for years to come.